Toyota Rush GRS versus Toyota Veloz V variant. Which one of these cars is the one for you? That's what we're gonna be talking about today. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! So what's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman, where here we love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And ito na nga, napaka-exciting ng topic na to. Personally, para sa akin, I really want to make a content about this. And dinagdagan pa talaga yung excitement ko dito ni at Loward Labis 1873. Sabi niya doon sa ating Toyota Veloz releasing video, sabi niya, nice car, but did you also consider Toyota Rush? Hindi lang consider, pinaka-kinonsider talaga, guys. So ayan, napaka-exciting nito. Ayan, naka-GR shirt pa naman ako ngayon. So does this mean na mas gusto ko talaga si Toyota Rush? Tara, simulan natin. So as usual, before we continue, both cars are featured here in our channel. Tignan nyo na lang yung ating individual reviews dito sa dalawang to. I really believe that you're gonna enjoy those reviews for more information about these cars. So first, let's talk about kaagad the exterior looks. What do you feel when you see any of these cars? So, para sa akin lang, Toyota Veloz medyo mas elegant para sa akin. May sophistication yung kanyang look. Tsaka maraming details, maraming sharpness naka-surround dito sa sasakyan na to. Parang ano talaga, yung sinabi ko dun sa review natin na luxurious look yung para sa akin yung dating ni Toyota Veloz. But on the other hand, pagdating naman sa sophistication, guys, pagdating sa being elegant, it's not a world apart na difference. Para sa akin, elegant din tignan si Toyota Rush, honestly. So ito guys kwento ko na lang. Before talaga kay Toyota Veloz, way back, dun sa mga solid dito na followers or subscribers, alam nyo to yung car journey namin. Before we chose the Toyota Vios, yung pinaka-first talaga na sasakyan na in-inquire namin kay Toyota way back 2021, yata 2022, is Toyota Rush. Okay? Gustong-gusto talaga namin ni Mrs. si Toyota Rush. So as we move along, so that I don't get ahead of myself, let me just say that malaking impact or mabigat talaga sa puso ko itong si Toyota Rush. So para sa akin, in terms of the exterior looks, Toyota Rush has the perfect mix of the elegance, the luxury, and being a sporty. And to prove my point about that is, ito nga si Veloz, I wanted to keep it elegant looking. But si Toyota Rush, bagay siya lagyan ng mga exterior accessories. Maganda tagang setupan ng accessories si Toyota Rush para sa akin. Kasi sporty. Pagdating sa mga garnish, yan, okay lagyan si Rush. Sporty looking and elegant, perfect mix. So ito guys, sasabihin ko na, if I haven't mentioned this on the Toyota Rush video before, napakaluma na pala nun. If I haven't said this before, I will really say it now, or I will say it again, that para sa akin guys, the Toyota Rush is the most beautiful looking na 7-seater sa lahat ng sasakyan ever. Para sa akin yun. So that's how much I respect the design that Toyota did on the Toyota Rush. And honestly, in my heart of hearts talaga guys, when we say if we had the Toyota Rush, I will honestly say that I'll be the most proud, or I'll be the most happy man on earth. That's how I'm in love with the looks of the Toyota Rush. But pagdating kasi sa car buying decision guys, or even kahit hindi sa pagpili ng sasakyan, kahit sa tao, or kahit anong bagay pa na pipili natin, hindi lang kasi yung looks yung tinitignan natin, diba? We also need to look at what's the inside, or what can it bring to the table, or what can it offer na suitable para sa'yo, or masasatisfy ka. And that's what we're gonna be continuing to talk about as we go along. So alam naman natin, subjective naman talaga yung looks, diba? So let me know in the comment section guys, which one of the both of these cars yung mas napopugian talaga kayo. So again, the variants that we're gonna be talking about is the GRS variant ni Toyota Rush. Both top of the line po ito guys. So top of the line GRS, and then top of the line ni Veloz, which is si V variant, top of the line din. So battle of top of the lines po ito guys. But for the price difference, ito na nga, si Toyota Veloz comes with 1,250,000 pesos. You'll have to add 15,000 pesos for the white pearl version. So that's a total of 1,265,000. So on the other hand naman, si Toyota Rush, 1,196,000 pesos. Based on the website, walang difference whether the black, the red, and the white. Dun sa white na version ni Toyota Rush, same price, okay? So that's really good if you want the white pearl, kagaya ko. So let's proceed to the color options, okay? So for the Toyota Rush, I've already mentioned yung kanyang tatlong kulay na available. White, black, tsaka red. So it stays true to the GRS branding ni Toyota, which I really love. So on the other hand, si Toyota Veloz guys has 4 color options. Of course, you have the white pearl like I mentioned, the purplish silver, that's what they call it, and then black, and then the red. Okay, so which of these colors would you pick, guys? If you're gonna buy either of these cars, please let me know in the comment section below. So for the body type, under the same category or under the same classification po itong dalawang to. They are both named as under the crossover and SUV section of Toyota. So let's go to the dimensions. If we're gonna look at this, mas lamang si Toyota Veloz in all of the aspects. With the length, mas mahaba po siya, mas wider po, mas malapad po si Toyota Veloz, and then mas mataas din siya in terms of the height. So again, this just also means na more space po tayo dito sa loob ni Toyota Veloz, and that's one of the biggest factor po bakit si Toyota Veloz po ang ating pinili. So para sa akin, mas gusto ko talaga yung feel na medyo roomy or medyo spacious. And to be honest with you guys, ayan nga, nakapag-test drive na rin po ako ng Toyota Rush kasama si Mrs. dati nung nag-inquire kami like I mentioned. So para sa akin, on my opinion, medyo similar ang feeling ng sedan tsaka Toyota Rush na pag sumakay ka, nagda-drive ka, but medyo mas angat ka lang talaga ng konti dahil sa ground clearance. So ganun po yung feeling ko sa Toyota Rush. So you might want to consider what is your need if you prioritize really the looks and the feeling ng sasakyan, and you don't need the space, or parang you can live with a medyo cramped up na space a little bit, then you can consider the Toyota Rush. For the drivetrain, eto mas maraming nagugustuhan ang mga tao dito kay Toyota Rush. Rear wheel drive si Toyota Rush, while front wheel drive naman si Toyota Veloz. So that's really useful to some of you who really like to go on road trips and mga matatarik na lugar. I know that a lot of you prefer this drivetrain, the rear wheel drive. For the transmission type guys, isang very big key difference din po ito. Si Toyota Veloz naka CVT na po yan. So medyo sa pagkakaano ko mas tipid ng a little bit pagdating sa fuel consumption. On the other hand, si Toyota Rush naka automatic transmission and 4-speed automatic. Sa pagkakalam ko, mas may arangkada ang mga automatic transmission. Si CVT medyo mas magte-take time yung kanyang arangkada. May rubber band effect po itong CVT. Pero to be honest with you, if you're gonna go with the Toyota Veloz V variant, the parang rubber band effect is very minimal. It just comes on when you activate the eco mode. Pero pagka tinanggal nyo po yung eco mode, kahit naka-drive normal driving mode lang po kayo, malakas po yung arangkada ni Veloz, to be honest. And then lalong-lalo na pag inactivate mo pa yung power mode, edi lilipad ka na talaga nun. So if you're worried about the arangkada, then you don't need to worry about that much if you're gonna choose the Veloz. But still, that's good to know. Automatic transmission and CVT, alin yung mas preferred nyo, okay? Pagdating naman sa kanyang engine, both of these cars have 1.5 liter engine, 4 cylinders din po, silang dalawa, 16 valves, and then you can see on the screen yung kanilang maximum output and torque. So on paper, medyo mas lamang ng konti si Toyota Veloz, both sa output tsaka sa torque. Fuel tank capacity guys, mas lamang ng konti si Toyota Rush. When it comes to the headlights and fog lamps, tabla po itong dalawang to. Let's go to their wheels. Again, tabla. 17 inches, 2-tone alloy wheels. So next category, ito na nga. Dito na yung napakalaking key difference din in a lot of people. Ground clearance. So maraming nagsabi, mababa ang ground clearance ni Veloz. Si Toyota Rush, medyo malaki talaga yung lamang ni Toyota Rush pagdating sa ground clearance. So like I always say on this channel, if your setup is palaging bumaba sa inyo, maraming lubak, then I really suggest you choose the higher ground clearance. But if hindi naman ganon yung usual or yung daily circumstances nyo, Toyota Veloz will be more than good enough for you. When it comes to their side mirrors, tabla na naman, auto fold or power retract, whatever you call that, natutupi. Infotainment system, ito medyo lamang naman si Toyota Veloz with a larger 9-inch touch screen display, while on the other hand si Toyota Rush meron naman siyang 7-inch touchscreen display, which is more than enough naman yan in most cases, but medyo lamang siya sa speakers guys with 8 speakers. Si Toyota Rush. Sa aircon controls naman, similar pa rin silang pareho with digital knob type and then with automatic climate control itong pareho. So that's really good. Next, one of the most important thing pagdating sa isang family car is the airbags, which both of these cars have 6 of them. So you have, kampante po tayo dito sa ating mga kasama sa sasakyan family natin because you have 6 airbags. So now let's go to the interior or more features na difference nitong dalawang to, okay? So let's start with the push start system. With the starting of the car, you both have push start button, which is really good, okay? Keyless entry, both of them have it as well. Very nice. You can just tap on the side or on the handlebar or the grab handle dyan sa may pintuan ng sasakyan, and then mag-unlock na po yung sasakyan natin as long as you have the remote with you. That's really nice. And then reverse camera, both of them have it, so that's really good. Rear parking sensors, guys, both of these cars have it as well. Di talaga papataw si Toyota Rush dito. Parang lumalaban din po talaga itong Toyota Rush pagdating sa features na parang big deal para sa akin. So I'm really happy that the Toyota Rush is really keeping up in terms of the features. So hill start assist, yan, meron din. So hindi ka nakakaban sa mga matatarik na lugar. Speed sensing door locks, guys, meron din si Toyota Rush. Can you believe that? And then, ito na, key differences nila, mention ko lang po sa inyo. Let's start with the Toyota Rush, okay? Of course, para sa akin, better looks. Panalo si Toyota Rush pagdating sa overall aesthetic ng sasakyan, yung angas, tsaka yung elegance, panalo si Toyota Rush. Higher ground clearance, possibly less maintenance cost dahil sa automatic transmission, I guess. But yung con ni Toyota Rush, guys, is wala po siyang center armrest. Si Toyota Veloz is meron po siya nun, leather pa. So, if that's important for you, you might wanna consider that, but you can try to look for sa Shopee or Lazada nung parang na-install naman. And then, tilt only yung kanyang steering wheel. Wala po siyang telescopic na steering wheel, alright? So, that's also one thing to consider for the Toyota Veloz, meron pong tilt and telescopic. Sa kanyang instrument panel naman po is mixture of analog and digital. More on, they kept the analog components on the Toyota Rush. But on the other hand, si Toyota Veloz is naka full digital affair na po ang kanyang instrument cluster. All you see is digital, which I really appreciate as well. So pagdating sa Toyota Veloz, guys, yung key factors talaga dito sa Toyota Veloz, guys, that I can share with you is of course yung kanyang, para sa akin, interior na napaka-elegante, tsaka yung exterior na lang din, para sa akin, elegant din po yung kanyang both interior and exterior. And another thing that adds to the elegance is of course yung kanyang leather seats, wireless charging pad, and of course ito na nga yung pinaka punch talaga ni Toyota Veloz pagdating sa kanyang strength is yung kanyang Toyota Safety Sense that of course enables you with a 360 degrees camera or panoramic view, which is really helpful talaga for me, guys. I really appreciate this. And then the pre-collision system of the Toyota Safety Sense, and then automatic high beam, which is really useful on late night driving on provincial roads. And there are a lot more features, guys, that I love about the Toyota Veloz. So please watch that Veloz video natin kung saan diniscuss natin yung as much as I can yung mga features na nandito sa Toyota Veloz. So on my end, we chose the Toyota Veloz because kung alam nyo lang talaga, guys, yung parang decision making namin ni Mrs. on that day na ng pagkuha ng sasakyan. Obviously, ito talaga si Toyota Rush yung what I told her. The Toyota Rush is what I can see the most competent or the most capable na para sa akin pinakamaganda talaga na family car na pipiliin natin if ever you really don't want the Toyota Veloz. Eventually, I'm so glad to hear this from her as well that she mentioned na mas bago kasi na model si Toyota Veloz and parang mas yan nga, mas sitik talaga sa features and mas marami talagang factors as well na parang modern yung more on point namin doon kay Toyota Veloz. So that's just for us. I don't know with you guys, with all the factors that I mentioned today, I hope that it helped you in your car buying decision. So what do you think, guys? Which one of both of these cars will you actually choose? Is it the Toyota Veloz or the Toyota Rush? please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you all so much. Grab your merch today. The website or online store is always at the homepage of our channel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, to like, and to share this to your loved ones and friends. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first and make Him the King of our lives, all of the wisdom, all of the paths in life, all of the decisions, all of the things that we need will be added unto us. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in this next video right here. Ciao!